TCN AI blind box vending machine. 10.1-inch touchscreen for easy operation. 510L large capacity body to hold more products. Panoramic glass door with anti-fog function for clear product display. Adjustable slot heights to fit various blind boxes. And figurine sizes. Highly compatible with irregular shaped products. Supports QR code or card access for flexible shopping. Shopping via QR code. Step 1. Scan the QR code. Step 2. Tap open door. Step 3. Pick your desired products freely. Step 4. Close the door. Step 5. Purchase records can be viewed in the back end. Shopping via card. Step 1. Swipe your card to unlock the door automatically. Step 2. Select your products. Step 3. Close the door. View your purchase history by scanning the QR.